and go back to frame 1 by clicking on the Go to First Frame icon at the bottom of the timeline. Now press return to see what happens, and you see they each seem to be moving at a different rate because they're different length of words. Let's loop our playback. Okay, now let's see what we can do to change the motion on each of these to make them individual and different from each other. So unlock ease and lock the rest of the layers. On the timeline, click on frame 12. Make sure that you only have one frame selected. It will be blue and a darker blue than the rest of the line. If the whole line turns blue, you won't be able to do this. Now right-click at the place where the current time indicator is crossing that frame. And you want to go down to Split Motion. This allows you to use each side as a different tween. Now I'm going to go in the middle here, and I have one frame selected in the middle of the first tween. Go up to the properties for the tween, and here you see the word ease. I'm going to drag the easing value back to -100. That will ease in. If you look at the path, you can see that the points, these dots, represent keyframes. They occur close together on the left-hand side of the motion path and far apart at the right-hand side. That means that during the time between the frames, there is more motion occurring when there's more space. So the word is moving more quickly at the end than it is at the beginning because it's moving across more space in a shorter amount of time. Now we want to go over to the second split here, and we want to do the opposite. We want to ease out. Now you notice that the space between the keyframes is farther apart on this side and closer together on the far right side of the motion path. And now if we click off to deselect and press return, you'll see that it starts out slow, speeds up, and slows down. So that is ease in, ease out right there.